He still had his faith, even after the frustrations of what happened. You know, the way he was removed from power. Yes, he was a disappointed man. He was frustrated. He was angry. But at the same time, I think he was able to express his faith. I think that is the positive. And also, you remember, I'm the one who officiated the wedding of his daughter. So that marked the beginning of my relationship with that first family that was then.
But he did occasionally attend our 10 o'clock mass, the service we've just had, yes, with his family. And he used to sit right in front. Yes, he liked to be where he could see it all, experience it all clearly. Yes. And I pray that God may have mercy on his soul. May he rest in peace.
He was a human being. He had his own weaknesses. But who are we to judge? What transpired when he breathed his last, we were not there. But we still say, if anything, if there's anything that he did wrong that offended us and God, may God forgive him.
We are saddened by his death because as we are fellow citizens of this country, and him being a Catholic, he used to attend Mass here, and being a leader, we thank God for the time that we had with him.